from TheGreenBow, welcome to our tutorial on how to deploy 3 remote users with our VPN software in 3 minutes. We're going to use the export feature, but before we do, let me introduce myself. My name is Brian, and if you're ready to go, let's get started. Now, assuming I am an IT manager, I need to deploy 3 remote users with VPN Client software. Now, unfortunately, the VPN gateway we're using for this demo does not support config mode. Therefore, I'll have to assign each of the users manually with their own IP address. Having a VPN gateway with config mode feature, the IP addresses would have been assigned automatically. But this should only take a minute or two. So let's show you how to do that. First, I need to have a VPN configuration previously created. Then, I'll change the user IP address on the remote LAN. To do this, go to Phase 2, VPN Client address, and change it there. Click Save and Apply. Then go to File, Export VPN Configuration, and we'll repeat that for each of the 3 users. So here's the actual demo, and we'll do that in less than 3 minutes. We've got the IT Manager's desktop here. We're opening the TheGreenBow window. There's the configuration. We're going to change that to 31 for the first user. Save and apply down there on the lower right. Upper left, File, Export VPN Configuration. Now we're going to bypass the encryption option here, although you'll probably want to do that. U1, just to give it a simple file name here. And there is the icon that shows the file. We're now going to change this to 32 for the second user. Save and apply down there in the lower right. Export VPN configuration again. Again, just for the purpose of the demo, we're going to bypass encryption mode. We'll give it a very simple file name, U2. And we're going to repeat for the third user. Save and apply. And then File, Export VPN Configuration. Now that we've done this, what I'm going to show you here in just a second is I'm going to be resetting the software so that we can imagine we're now a user. So I'm transferring out of IT Manager mode, and now I'm going to be a user. Let's, for the sake of the demo, assume that this may be the first time that the user runs the VPN Client software. Just going to arrange things here on the desktop for a second. Get these files kind of in order. And there's the user file that I'll use. Now I'm the user. I'm going to launch the TheGreenBow VPN software. There it is. We'll go and get that window open there from the control bar. There we go. You'll see that there's no configuration information there listed, but when we double click the icon, it will load that information, and alternatively, we can import the information as well. And there's the import feature. You'll see the icon listed as a user would, and then there's the information. Now we can close that out and tunnel in as we normally would from the control bar. You select the tunnel of your choice and you're off and running. So that does it for our demo on provisioning remote users, and I hope that helps. From TheGreenBow, next time, I'm Brian.